So we specialise in heat pumps, ground source and air source, work throughout the United Kingdom. I've been involved in heat pumps since around 2009. The logic here to install has been straightforward, as easy as they come really, self-explanatory. Like I've said, we deal with other brands out there, but it's been very straightforward for it. It's a nice piece of kit, really quiet, small and compact. We really like it.
With boiler, you'd come home from work, I'd be hiking heating up because it'd be cold, then it'd be too warm and I couldn't get to sleep at night. It's just a constant temperature with heat pump and we're just leaving it, so it's that constant temperature all the time. Every room, it's just comfortable.
Working with Ideal, heating's been very straightforward. We've known when the stuff's coming, communication's been great. The kit came and everything we needed came on time. And yeah, look forward to doing more with Ideal Heating.
Yeah, it's a great bit of kit and I'd highly recommend anybody looking for an heat pump. It's up in loft, it's out at weight and like I say, looks good in the garden.